truth, spreadsheets work, but up to a point. As your campaigns grow, manual tracking gets messy, tedious, and almost impossible to scale. So in this video, we are breaking down spreadsheet versus software. When are spreadsheets good enough? When do they start holding you back? And can the right software save you time and one giant headache? Let's start with the good news. Spreadsheets are great. Spreadsheets are still, in fact, a go-to tool in influencer marketing because they're flexible, free, and very familiar. In fact, when we ran a survey, 100% of influencer marketers said they still use spreadsheets in some way. And I personally think they're going nowhere, but you still want to capture all the important data for your campaign. Now, we actually do have a free template that you can use, and I will leave a link to that down in the description. But as you can see with this spreadsheet, you can customize and track everything that matters. Now, once you've populated your spreadsheet, they are just super easy to share across teams. And this is something that I loved about them, since there's no login barriers or seat limits. But there's no denying it, maintenance on them takes time. On average, it's about 5 hours per week. But when budgets are tight or your current tools aren't covering everything, spreadsheets give you full control over data and the workflow. So here's the big question. When is it time for software? Okay, here is an example. Let's say you are working with 20 influencers, each posting once and sharing 2 stories a week. That is, in fact, over 240 pieces of content a month. And as you scale up your influencer marketing program, it just all adds up very fast. And manually checking all of that is exhausting. And not forgetting to mention that creators forget tags, hashtags, ad disclosures. So you end up chasing them for corrections, which, you guessed it, wastes even more time. Now, this is where tools like Modash come into the situation. So instead of sticking hours into spreadsheets and chasing, you can automate the entire process, from automatically collecting content, tracking performance in real time, quickly identifying top performing creators and content, and even easily pulling UGC for your website and social media channels. With better data and faster insights, you can improve reporting, building more credibility in your influencer program, and double down on the partnerships that actually drive results. Okay, so what does tracking look like with software? Using Modash and heading to the Track tab, you can oversee different campaigns at a glance, even the draft and finished campaigns too. Now, when you open a campaign, you'll see a dashboard that automatically pulls in influencer content and key metrics, giving you a full funnel performance insight. Now, here's the best part. You can easily export everything into a spreadsheet just like this, saving you hours of chasing influencers for data and then manually copying and pasting those metrics into a spreadsheet. Now, at a glance, you can set a date range and instantly see how many creators have posted, along with the key awareness and engagement metrics like views, likes, and comments. You can even apply a EMV, which is an earned media value calculation for your campaign. Plus, you get full visibility into performance metrics like sales conversions and access a detailed clicks report showing you where your traffic is coming from, down to the country level. Is pretty amazing. You'll also see the hashtags you're tracking, any alerts you sent, and the campaign start date. And if you need to tweak anything in the setup, you can make those edits at any time. Now, whilst this is an entire overview of your campaign, you can segment the tracking performance by platform by either selecting the Instagram, YouTube, or TikTok tab. Now, under the Creator tab, you'll see all the influencers in your campaign, again with the option to segment them by platform. Now, from there, you can set a commission tier for your influencers, create product offer links for gifting, and even track order placement and their status. You can generate tracking links, UTMs, which is great if you're also tracking using Google Analytics, and create discount codes for each influencer. And as you scroll along their role, you can also see key metrics like link clicks, code usage, total sales, ROAS, and more, all in one place. Now, under the Publish Content tab, you'll find all the influencer content captured based on the criteria you set, which I will show you how to do a little later on in this video. But here you can click into each post, check the metrics, and download the content. You can also filter by creator handle, platform, date, or content type like posts, reels, or stories. But let's say a creator forgets to tag your brand. What do? Don't worry, in Modash, you can manually import content by pasting the URL, as long as that creator is a part of that campaign. Now, if you're running an event, there is a game changer feature called the event mode in Modash. Now, this automatically captures all influencer posts within a set time frame, even if they forget to tag you. So under the event mode tab, you can filter by handle, date range, and content type, then add any relevant posts to your campaign so they appear in your main content dashboard. Let's now go ahead and set up our own campaign tracking. Now in the track tab in Modash, you want to click create campaign to get started. You also want to give your campaign a name. So for example, nail art campaign. Then add the details you want to track, like your brand's username, hashtags, and any relevant keywords. Now it is here we can choose to flag posts that are missing required hashtags, mentions, keywords, or add disclosures. This is also where you can enable the event mode. Next, you want to set your tracking start date and add influencers. Now you can do this by either selecting a list or manually entering handles or importing a CSV file. Once everything looks good, just hit start campaign and you are ready to go. And that's it. Whilst I think spreadsheets are great and they have certainly earned their place in influencer marketing, but when you're ready for faster, clearer insights as you scale, Modash campaign tracking makes it easy to see what's working so you can double down on what's driving results. And honestly, my favorite part, no more chasing for screenshots or spending hours in spreadsheets. Just instant, reliable insights all in one place. Because at the end of the day, better data leads to better decisions. And the best thing is that you can try this all for yourself with Modash's 14 free day trial. I'll leave a link to it down in the description. We'll see you next time. Bye.